Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at an altcoin, Kusama. We're currently having a huge rally in the altcoin market. Altcoins have been pumping in 2023. We've seen them having huge rallies on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, and also on a monthly time frame. How high can Kusama go in this relief rally that we're currently having in the altcoin market? Where will Kusama face resistance as we're pumping to higher prices? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the KSM US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at Kusama's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then we'll take a look at Kusama's market cap that has rallied up above $270 million. How high can Kusama's market cap go before the end of this relief rally? We're going to be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
With altcoins starting 2023 on a very bright note, we're seeing altcoins pump to higher prices. 2023 is turning to be a very bullish year for altcoins. We saw these altcoins dump to gobbling town in 2022, and Kusama is still down 87% in the last 1 year. But on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, we have seen Kusama make huge gains in 2023. Kusama is currently up 24% in the last 1 week, and we've seen it pump 21% in the last 1 month. This is the Kusama US dollar price chart. We saw Kusama pumping really well in the bull market. Kusama went from as low as $0.9 in January 2020, pumping to a new all-time high by May 2021 when it got to as high as $622. In total, Kusama went up 63,000%, which meant $1,000 invested in Kusama when it was launched would have returned over $636,000 by May 2021. Altcoins are very profitable that way, but you need to hold through the chaos. And after the bull market, we see these altcoins dumping to gobbling town, just like the same way we have seen Kusama go from as high as $622, dropping to as low as $22 in this bear market. Yes, we might see it continue dumping to gobbling town, but right now we're having a huge relief in the altcoin market. We are seeing altcoins pump to higher prices, and I'll not be shocked to see Kusama continue pumping to higher prices in this relief rally. The first level we might see Kusama face some heavy resistance as we're pumping to higher prices, might be around that $43 region. If we see Kusama rally quickly to the $43 region, then we might see it face some headwinds. Kusama was using that $43 region as a support since June 2022. We finally lost that support by 16 September 2022, and since then we have seen Kusama trading below that $43.5 region. And if we take a look at what Kusama did in the past, we saw it find support at that level. So will this time be different? Are we going to see Kusama pumping to higher prices in this relief rally? Because if we continue pumping to higher prices, another level where we might see Kusama face some heavy resistance might be around the $66 region. From where Kusama is currently trading right now, for us to rally back up to that $66, $68 region, Kusama will have to go up around 209%. Yes, we're in a relief rally in the altcoin market, but guys, we should know that these relief rallies, even though they can pump to the upside, ultimately we might see some huge dumps coming along the way. And because we're still down bad in the yearly time frame, a lot of people are trying to make back all the losses they made in the bear market. You don't want to be FOMOing into those green candles right now. You don't want to be catching the FOMO thinking you'll be left behind, we'll continue pumping to the moon. Guys, there will always be a dump to the downside, and if you have some capital on the side, that's only where you can take opportunity of that dump to the downside. Now, we might see Kusama pump way into higher prices in this relief rally. Best case scenario, we might see Kusama try to rally up above $100. And for us to get there from where we're currently trading, Kusama will have to give us more than a 250% pump to the upside. Now, I don't see Kusama setting new all-time highs in this relief rally. The highest I see us pumping is maybe that $112 region, but that will still mean Kusama has rallied up more than 410% in this relief rally. If you take a look at what Kusama has done in the last 1 year, we've seen this altcoin go from as high as $278 to as low as $21.76. Kusama has a market cap of $271 million with a fully diluted market cap of over $360 million. A total supply of 9.6 million coins. We have over 8.4 million Kusama coins in circulation. And Kusama is currently ranked 113 on CoinMarketCap with over 262,000 people having Kusama on their watch list. Self-described as Polkadot wild cousin, Kusama is an experimental blockchain platform that is designed to provide a massively interoperable and scalable framework for developers. Kusama is built on Substrate, a blockchain building kit developed by Parity Technologies. Kusama has almost the same codebase as Polkadot and one of the most successful interoperable blockchains. Where can you get some KSM if you want to get some in the bear market as we're getting ready for the next bull run? If you want to get some Kusama for yourself, you can get some on Binance, on Qcoin, on Kraken, on Coinbase Exchange, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. With the altcoin market rallying up to higher prices, with Kusama seeing huge gains in the first month of 2023, we might just see a lot of people foaming to Kusama into higher prices. And best case scenario, if we see Bitcoin pumping to $40,000, we see Ethereum pumping above $2,000, getting to as high as $3,000, we might just have a slim chance of seeing Kusama trade back at $200. The last time we saw Kusama going to that $200 region was in April 2022. Since then, we have not seen Kusama rally back to that price point. But guys, we have a lot of work to do before we get there. We have to pass through this important resistance level, the $43 region, the $68 region, the $115 region, before we get to that mighty $200 mark. And for us to pump there, we have to see Kusama go up an additional 522%. I believe that's possible, but that will be if we are very, very lucky in this relief rally. If you take a look at Kusama's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, we've been taking a look at these charts in previous videos, and we saw Kusama pumping really well in the bull market, outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the case of Ethereum, it went up 70x against Ethereum in the bull market. But anything that goes up very quickly has a huge chance of dropping very, very quickly, and that's exactly what we've seen from Kusama, where we have seen it dump more than 93% in this bear market. If you take a look at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin, it also outperformed Bitcoin in the bull market. But right now in the bear market, we're seeing it give back those gains, dump to gobbling town against Bitcoin in the bear market. Altcoins are known to be volatile against both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market, because after people saw their altcoins losing more than 90% in 1 year, they will get scared, and any huge dump we see in the market, we see a lot of market participants flipping their altcoins for some Bitcoin and also for some Ethereum, which might lead to all those altcoins losing value against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you take a look at Kusama's market cap, we saw it got to as low as $181 million in this bear market. As we're rallying up to higher prices, the next point of action for Kusama's market cap will be if we can see it rally back up to that $500 million region. That will be very, very critical if we can blast above $500 million. But that $500 million region will be a line in the sand. We saw Kusama's market cap rally above $500 million in August 2022, but we swiftly got rejected and continued dumping to gobbling town. So if we can clear that $500 million region, maybe, just maybe, this will be the time where we'll see Kusama rally back to the $1 billion region for the first time since May 2022. And for us to rally that high, Kusama will have to go up an additional 273%. What will that mean for the price of Kusama if we see it rallying up 273% from where we're currently trading right now? Guys, that will see the price of Kusama go from $32 to as high as over $117. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see Kusama going this relief rally we're having right now in the altcoin market? Where do you see Kusama getting rejected as we're pumping to the upside? Are you accumulating some Kusama right now deep in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1.